Experts say that people primarily treat brand emails as trash and don't click on them to see the complete content. On the other hand, they also say that brands are getting significant traffic from cold emailing. Both the statements are pretty contradictory, and a beginner can get confused easily. But don't worry, today I will tell you why both opinions are actually correct. See, the first statement is correct in everyone's case. If I ask you, do you open random brands' emails, what would you say? No, right? None of us open every email. Hence, the first statement is justified. But what about the second one? So, the second statement means that there are significant number of people who check branded emails too, but only if they find the subject line interesting. Hey guys, my name is Astha from PaperVideo. So today I will tell you 7 components that make a subject line catchy and clickable. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. What is the subject in an email? The subject line is the first line of an email that people see when they get your email. This one line of text usually determines whether an email will get opened or sent straight to trash. So make sure it is well written. Why subject line matters? Successful emails start with a strong subject line that grabs the concentration of your receivers. Since email inboxes are filled with hundreds or possibly even thousands of emails per day, in such conditions, this one line of text can often decide whether an email is opened or sent straight to trash or even worse, to spam. These are 7 elements that you can find in every attention-grabbing subject line. Number 1, self-interest. This is the ultimate key to get a click on your email. Everyone likes perks, so they instantly get associated with your business when you offer them something related to them. Self-interest subject lines also appeal to viewers to read the whole email. Number 2, curiosity. If self-interest subject lines work because they directly benefit, curiosity-based ones succeed for the contrary reasons. These subject lines lead your viewers to your website or make them take action like subscribing to the newsletter or more. But be careful, don't write false subject lines just for attention. Number 3, offer. Do you like free stuff? Who doesn't, right? When you are organizing a giveaway or selling something on an offer, your subscribers would be affected. Directly stating that in your subject line is an excellent way to convince them to open the email and learn more. Number 4 is urgency. Humans start acting only when they feel something is urgent and worth acting. It applies in email subject lines as well. And that is why most brands start their emails with the lines like only 5 days left or hurry, only few are left or more. Such words show urgency and trigger the audience to take action as soon as possible. Number 4, kindness. Don't forget that you are approaching humans through email. So keep that humanity alive in your texts also. Sometimes you can tell the story of success and sometimes you can thank your subscribers and also motivate them. Number 6, news. News type subject lines work very well when you target a specific audience and you know that they are interested in learning everything about your field. Number 7, story. Telling a story never goes out of trend. You can emotionally connect with your audience and ask them to visit your website or subscribe to a newsletter. These are the 7 most popular and successful subject line components, but don't use them in a single subject line. You have to judge which element will be beneficial for what purpose. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.